In Gilbert, Arizona, where the sun shines nearly year-round, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient is crucial. One of the best ways to achieve this is by installing energy-efficient windows. These windows not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also offer numerous functional benefits that can save you money and reduce your environmental footprint. Here's why energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for your Gilbert home. Lower energy bills. One of the most significant advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce your energy consumption. Gilbert experiences scorching summers, and keeping your home cool often means running your air conditioner for extended periods. Traditional windows can let heat seep in, forcing your cooling system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed with advanced materials such as low emissivity, low E coatings and insulated glass. These features minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during the summer and warmer in the winter. As a result, your HVAC system uses less energy, leading to noticeable savings on your monthly energy bills. Enhanced comfort. Have you ever noticed how rooms with large windows can become uncomfortably warm or cold, depending on the season? Energy-efficient windows eliminate this problem by maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Their superior insulation properties reduce drafts and prevent hot or cold spots in your home, creating a more comfortable living environment for you and your family. UV protection. Gilbert's sunny climate comes with an abundance of harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays. Over time, UV exposure can fade your furniture, flooring, and artwork. Energy-efficient windows with low E coatings block a significant portion of UV rays, preserving the beauty of your home's interiors while still allowing natural light to flood your space. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows aren't just great for temperature control, they can also help create a quieter home environment. The multiple panes of glass and specialized insulation in these windows reduce noise from outside, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or other urban sounds. If you're seeking peace and tranquility within your Gilbert home, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a worthwhile consideration. Environmental benefit. Choosing energy-efficient windows isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the planet. By reducing your energy consumption, these windows lower your home's carbon footprint. In a community like Gilbert, where sustainability is increasingly becoming a priority, investing in energy-efficient solutions helps contribute to a greener, healthier future for everyone. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows are a sought-after feature for many homebuyers. If you ever decide to sell your home, having these windows installed can make your property more attractive on the market. Buyers recognize the long-term savings and comfort these windows offer, allowing you to potentially command a higher selling price. Rebates and incentives. Many utility companies and local governments offer incentives or rebates for upgrading to energy-efficient windows. In Gilbert, checking with your energy provider or city programs could help offset the initial cost of installation. Over time, These savings, combined with reduced energy bills, make the investment even more appealing. Stylish and versatile design. Energy-efficient windows come in a wide range of styles, sizes, and finishes, ensuring you don't have to compromise on design to achieve functionality. Whether your home has a modern aesthetic or leans more traditional, you'll find options that blend seamlessly with your decor while offering superior energy performance. Durability and longevity. Energy-efficient windows are built to last. High-quality materials like double or triple glazing and advanced seals mean these windows resist wear and tear, even in Gilbert's harsh climate. This durability ensures you won't need to replace your windows frequently, saving you money in the long term. Better indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows help seal your home against outdoor pollutants, allergens, and dust. This can be particularly beneficial in areas like Gilbert, where desert winds can carry fine particles. By maintaining a cleaner indoor environment, these windows contribute to better overall health and well-being for your family. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows are a practical, stylish, and environmentally friendly upgrade for your Gilbert home. From lower energy bills and enhanced comfort to UV protection and noise reduction, these windows offer a host of benefits that make them a valuable investment. With various designs to choose from and potential rebates to help with costs, now is the perfect time to make the switch. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable and sustainable living space, but you'll also contribute to a healthier planet for future generations.